Welcome back to the office. Isn't this fun? I see pizza. I see a party. I see a water jug as a head.
Yeah.
And I see Mo sitting at a desk.
Yes. With a tie.
Very worried.
Now,
Yeah.
now you know damn well what's coming next.
After the tie? Or what are you talking about?
You know damn well what comes next in this show now. What do I say next?
Go ahead, Mo.
There you go. It's all yours.
This is I like this story because this is all the things like the big tech companies are trying to do to get their employees to come back to work. And like
So it's like a list?
Yeah, essentially. Well, it kind of highlights mainly what Google is doing. Microsoft is having a bit of fun here.
Is that? Wait a second. Is that outfit? Is there belly exposed on that outfit?
Yeah,
In the
it
middle
looks
there?
like a snapshot. Who knows if that
Like,
was the
is that
style.
intentional or
I don't know.
is that a style aspect or did it ride up?
I think it may have just moved up a bit.
It rode up.
Yeah.
It rides up on me every so often, so
Yeah, it happened.
I can relate.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a software company having a party?
Yeah, it's Microsoft. So essentially, all these companies are doing something to incentivize their employees to come back to work. Like Google's throwing a big party with the, what's her name? Some artist. Will, can you scroll up to the top? I don't remember her name. I know she's super popular and whatnot.
Uh-oh, disrespect. You're
There,
getting canceled.
top.
Lizzo?
Yes.
You're getting canceled.
right. And
Well, that's
Lizzo
kind of fun.
will perform for Google employees this month at an amphitheater near the company's headquarters in Mountain View, California. When Microsoft reopened its offices in Redmond, Washington in late February, employees were treated to music from local bands, beer and wine tasting, and even classes for making terrariums. So what is it? It's a party now?
Yeah.
Please come back and we'll give you a party. Come back and our office turned into kindergarten.
yeah, they like specifically say don't book back-to-back meetings. Qualcomm says take a break Tuesday and calls Wednesday Wellness Wednesday.
Wow.
So they're
we
really
do stuff like that around here.
right. Yeah, trust falls and everything.
Well, this company in the picture right here, Clio, which is a software company in British Columbia, they're telling you to let your shirt ride up.
Okay. If you scroll down, Will, you can see some of these parties.
You're really into the shirt riding. It's like half an inch of
Yeah, I
belly
know.
exposed.
No, it's also the
Barely.
posture and the pizza and everything else. It's just a look to it. Like, does she? Let me ask you this: Is
I don't
she
think she
super
knows.
happy with this photo?
I don't think so.
No, I mean, so I'm just stating the obvious.
Yeah.
Like, and I'm not stating it from a point of judgment. I'm saying that could have been me.
Yes.
That could have been me.
Could have been anybody.
I could have been typing out the pregnant man emoji as I'm eating the pizza, and someone's snapping the photo with the flash on from the side profile. And I'm saying, hey, this is the new office space where I'm partying. So
Right.
if I ride up, it's part of the gig.
And then she's talking about you
Yeah.
in the alternate world.
That's right. She's sitting here in this chair saying, I know, look, the guy's riding up, but I get it. He reached for the pizza. Yeah, so.
If you scroll,
Guys, I got to say what's going on, all right?
of course.
Listen. I understand you guys look at me sideways sometimes, but somebody's got to say what's going on.
Oh man.
There's
Do
nothing.
you-
Go ahead.
Do you guys support this kind of entry back into the workspace? Like all these weird building your own terrarium.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know, because people were resisting. Like, you heard about those stories from Apple. People were saying, we're not going back. We're going to protest going back, and we like working from home, and we want the flexibility and everything else.
Absolutely.
So it's definitely a reaction to that. It's a way of saying, no, you want to be back here because it's way more fun than wherever you are.
But can't they just be like, 2 days a week, just come back to work instead of like a full 5 days?
Somebody in the chat just reminded me she could be pregnant as well. So
Yeah.
congrats. Congrats.
Just pedaling back.
No, I actually, that's always a weird one. It's like, don't you dare
Comment.
ask if anybody's pregnant or not. But it's true. She might actually be.
Yeah.
And I should know because I've had multiple kids, and then that's what happens.
Yeah.
It's another reason to ride up. I mean, not for me, but I mean, I do that anyways. Yeah, so it's a party. Listen, it's a party at the office. And if they make it a party, then you want to be there. But I don't know.
It could be just
I
temporary
will tell you
tricks.
the weird part about it is like partying is something that's sort of separate from work, typically. It's sort of like work hard, play hard type of thing.
Right,
It's
right.
hard when you have no distinction of where that line is.
Yeah.
And then everything becomes work or everything becomes play.
But yeah.
Like to have some degree of designation between those two.
Mm-hmm.
Like us, if we had the pizza here every day and every time, like I don't know when we're getting anything done. I really don't.
Yeah.
It would be way too easy.